Hello, sun. Do you see the sun? What's that? You see it? Look. Do you see the bird? What's going on, bird?
It's like,
You
what
don't
the
like the bird? Oh. What's that? Look at that. How does that make you feel?
He's like, uneasy. It's a checkered pattern.
Bonjour, flowers. Do you see the flowers? What's that? What's up, clouds?
He's just looking at me instead. Ooh, do you see the clouds? The black and white clouds? The high contrast black and white clouds? He's like, yeah, we're good.
Hola, baby. It's a baby, just like you. You see the baby?
Now you're shoving in my face, I do. Right.
Hello, toys. Are you getting too tired? Look at that pattern on there. Look at that pattern. It's crazy. Oh, too much.
He's like, the beeping sound puts me to bed.
Okay, baby. Well, you want to read the rest? And look at the puppy? Puppy. You see the puppy? Very good night. That's how it happened last time.
Did we read this story before?
I did.
Mm.
You see the stars? Ooh. Does the black and white comfort you? Looking good, Moon.
He's just looking at me. What are you looking at?
Look. Hello, my world.